Hi! Welcome back to English Adventure with Teacher Alex and Jess.
Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back. What are we going to learn today? I know. We're going to learn about
Vegetables! Wait a minute. I like some vegetables, but I don't like all the vegetables. What about you, Teacher Jessie?
I like eggplant.
Can you say eggplant?
Great job.
Wonderful.
Now, what about Teacher Alex? What do you like?
Let me think. I know. I like cauliflower.
Can you say cauliflower? Wonderful.
Very good. But wait. We want to know what about you? What vegetable do you like?
You can say, I like...
Great job. Yeah, that sounds yummy. And now, are you ready to learn about more vegetables?
Yes.
Let's go.
All right.
What's next?
It's sweet potato.
Can you say sweet potato?
Very good.
Great job. What's next? Zucchini. Can you say zucchini?
Great. Now, what's next? Beetroot.
Can you say beetroot?
Wonderful.
Great job. And now, for our last vegetable, can you say squash?
Ooh, yummy.
Say squash.
Squash.
Great job. Wow, we learned about so many yummy vegetables. I actually like all of those vegetables.
Yummy.
And we hope you liked today's video. And if you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like our video.
And follow us for more fun things.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.